10, 11. So, ayun na nga guys, no? So, ngayon naman is gagawa lang tayo ng 5 exercise para sa fat burner natin at saka sa lower part ng body natin guys, no? Which is yung ating quads, hamstring, tsaka yung glutes. So, let's G. So, first exercise natin guys is yung jumping jack. Count 1 to 15 lang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kumbaga, 15 repetition tsaka 3 sets po yan guys, no? 9, 7, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So, yung pangalawang exercise naman natin guys, no, is yung underhand knee clap. Okay, let's go. So, 15 repetition lang. Tapos, 3 sets. Let's G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So, sa pangatlong exercise naman tayo guys, no? Dahil tapos na nga tayo sa pangalawa. So, pang 3 exercise. So, magre-rest lang tayo at least mga 5 seconds. So, pangatlo naman is high knees. 1, 7, 8, 9, 12, 13, 14, 17, 7. So, sa lower part naman tayo guys, para sa ating quads, glutes, at saka hamstring. So, 3 exercise lang din yung gagawin natin dito. So, first is squat, sumo squat. Kumbaga, yung legs natin is hindi siya nakadikit. Kumbaga dito, ganyan. Okay, Z. Count 1 to 15 lang guys. Then 3, working set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, it's done. So, rest at least mga 5 seconds. Then next, jumping lunges. Alternate jumping lunges yung next natin na gagawing exercise. It's G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So, dito naman tayo sa last exercise natin is yung hold squat. So, mag-count lang kayo at least mga 20 reps. Yan na. So, para naka-sumo squat lang kayo kasi naka-wide yung paa natin. Z. Last. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, last one. Done! So, ayun lang guys. Tapos na tayo dun sa ating fat burner exercise. So, gawin nyo lang yon araw-araw kapag nagja-jogging kayo. Malaking tulong yan para mag-burn ng fats or mga excess fats nyo sa katawan. So, let's G. Tapos na tayo sa 2 days jogging challenge, guys. So, meron pa tayong natitirang at least 29 days. Let's see.